Hello sir, this is Mridula from section 4. In this video I am going to show how to disassemble and assemble a room heater. So this is a home appliance room heater that we can see, and before switching it on I am just going to show the outer parts that we can see here. So this is the front part. We can see a mesh which is made of a metal, and inside we have one more mesh which has some more fine holes than the outer one, and beside that we have two rods called as halogen rods, and which are the main parts of this room heater, and behind that we have a reflector. And we can see the back side. So here we have a ventilated part, and this body is made up of a plastic body which is a polymer of styrene. So now I am going to show that it is in working condition. So we have two switches to control the two rods. I am switching on the first one, and this is the second one. So we can see this is working absolutely fine. And one more interesting thing about this is we have one more push button at the bottom face. So what is the use of this is this works only when it is in vertical condition. So now we can see I have removed all the screws, and now these two parts we can easily separate. So this is how the inner part looks. As we can see here, this is the reflector that we have seen before, and here are the two switches, and here is the push button, and here is the main cable. So first let us start with this push button that we have seen. So what actually happens is when we click on this push button, we can see the silver colored coil is becoming horizontal, and then it is completing the circuit by touching this part. So now we can tell that the circuit is entirely completed. Now let us see the main cable that is coming from here. We can see this yellow wire is a neutral wire, that is a grounded one. And there are two wires for positive terminal and one for the negative terminal. This positive terminal is connected to the main part here, and then those wires are connected to the switches in parallel connection. And again from these switches we can see the red color wire, that is the positive wire, is connected to the positive terminals of the two rods. And now on the other side we have the two negative terminals of the two rods, and these are connected with a black wire in parallel connection, and this wire is connected with a joint to the main cable. And so this is the entire wiring connection. So from the main part we can see the current enters from here, and the circuit is closed here, and when we on the switches we can see the both bulbs will glow. As these are in parallel connection, we can operate either of the switches according to our wish. So this is how the entire wiring connection inside the room heater looks like. So now I have removed all the screws present for this frame. Now I am opening this frame. So this is the how inside frame looks, and we can see here the two glass rods present here. Actually these are called as the halogen rods, as we have seen in the beginning of the video. So now I am opening the inner mesh. So I have removed the inner mesh also, and these are the halogen tubes that we can see. This is the first tube and this is the second tube. And sometimes the room heater may not work, and the main reason for that is due to the damage of these tubes. So these tubes can be replaced with other tubes. Like if these are damaged, we can keep a new tube in place of these. So back of these tubes we can see the reflector, and this reflector enables the heating effect more quickly. Now I am closing back this mesh. So now I am keeping this back. So I am assembling all the parts back. So first the inner frame, and now the outer part I am closing. And I used a long neck screwdriver for this. So finally I successfully joined all the parts of the room heater, and now the room heater is back to its form. So now I have screwed up all the screws and I have joined all the parts that I have disassembled, and now it is ready to use again. And now let me check whether this is working or not. So we can see here the both bulbs are glowing and this is working absolutely fine. Thank you.